Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into a monthly draw that month for your chance to take home $10,000. Who can use that nowadays? Back to the start of the show, we have this gorgeous 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport 4x4. This happens to be the Shaker Edition. Under the hood, you're going to find the powerful 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. As you can see, this is a 2-door unit. It is shown in the classic black color, and you have these beautiful aftermarket tires and rims. We're going to give you a close-up of those a bit later on. This vehicle's only had one previous owner, has a clean CARFAX, and has been fully safetied and inspected. We're going to take you through the interior, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Here is a close-up of these rims. They are 18-inch American Racing ATX series on a rugged Goodyear DURATRAC tire. So as we head inside, you do have this key from the factory. Beautiful black interior, nice large grab handle. You do have manual windows and locks, premium cloth seats throughout. On your steering wheel, you have your cruise control options to your right, and then over to your left, you have dash selection. Into the dash, you do have a menu of information. You can scroll through there, and to the right, 47,668 kilometers on this currently. Everything's laid out nice and easy to read. Of course, your ignition area over to the right, extra storage up top. And then you do have an AM and FM capability. In here, you do have an aftermarket system with Bluetooth and auxiliary. And then moving on down, you do have your climate control, as well as a 12-volt outlet, traction control, and of course your shifting area. 2 cup holders, locking glove compartment. That is great because if you have your doors and roof off, you still have a secure place to keep any of your goods. Lots of space in there. Give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Lots of legroom, lots of head height in here. They're very spacious, the Wranglers. Locking glove compartment. And then you have 2 additional passenger seats in the back. Lighting and stereo equipment up top. And as we head into the back, I'm just going to give you a quick view of here. If you want to see more, definitely come on down it and we can bring you through a more detailed tour. But you do have storage underneath this panel and these little areas here where you can keep your hardware if you do decide to take your doors off. And then this is all weather on the other side. So this seat does flip forward and flips up. It also comes out all together if you need that extra space. So it's just a very quick tour. If you have any questions or again want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.